Looking for an amazing air fryer without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Today on Tech Fact, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers under $100 in 2026 that deliver impressive cooking performance, modern features, and excellent value for your money. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, eating healthier, or buying your very first air fryer, this list has something worth checking out. From fast cooking and crispy results to easy cleanup and smart functions, these budget-friendly models prove you don't need to overspend for quality. Stay with us until the end, because our number one pick offers an outstanding balance of performance and value that may surprise you. If you enjoy discovering the best products before everyone else, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Fact, and share your favorite pick in the comments below. Number 5. Chefman 4-Quart Air Fryer. The Chefman 4-Quart Air Fryer is an excellent choice for individuals, couples, or small kitchens where saving space is important without sacrificing cooking performance. Despite its compact size, it delivers reliable results for everything from crispy fries and chicken wings to vegetables, frozen snacks, and quick everyday meals. The easy-to-use touchscreen features 4 preset cooking options that simplify meal preparation and reduce guesswork. Chefman's high fry technology activates during the final cooking stage to give food a crispier finish, while still using far less oil than traditional frying methods. The nonstick basket allows food to lift away easily, while the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup fast and convenient after every meal. Its efficient air circulation helps cook food evenly with consistent browning from every angle. You can generally find this model for about $45, making it a great budget-friendly option. Its standout feature is delivering the same high-fry crisping performance found in larger Chefman models, while maintaining a compact design that's perfect for smaller households and limited counter space. Number 4. Chefman 6-Quart Air Fryer. The Chefman 6-Quart Air Fryer is a practical option for families or anyone who enjoys preparing larger portions without taking up too much kitchen space. Its compact design fits comfortably on most countertops, while the spacious 6-quart basket provides enough room for chicken, vegetables, frozen foods, and homemade meals. The digital touchscreen is simple to navigate and includes 4 preset cooking programs that help make everyday cooking fast and convenient. One of its biggest advantages is the high fry technology, which increases crispiness during the final stage of cooking to create a satisfying golden finish without adding extra oil. The nonstick basket helps food release easily, and both the basket and cooking tray are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Fast air circulation promotes even cooking while reducing the need for constant checking or turning. This model is typically available for around $70, making it an excellent value for its size. Its standout feature is the exclusive high fry technology, delivering an extra crispy texture that helps it stand apart from many standard air fryers in the same price range. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6-Quart. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer is designed for people who want larger capacity and more cooking flexibility in one appliance. Its 6-quart basket easily prepares meals for families while maintaining a compact footprint on the countertop. This model combines 6 useful cooking functions, including air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of recipes without switching appliances. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium appearance, while the intuitive controls make selecting cooking programs quick and simple. Even crisp airflow technology helps produce golden, crispy food with less oil while maintaining tender results inside. The dishwasher-safe basket simplifies cleanup after every meal, making daily use much more convenient. Fast preheating also reduces waiting time so you can start cooking sooner. This air fryer is commonly priced near $90, offering excellent versatility for its category. Its standout feature is the even crisp airflow system, which creates consistently crispy results while keeping food moist inside, helping it stand out from many similarly priced competitors. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer 4-Quart. The Ninja Air Fryer 4QT is a compact and reliable appliance that delivers impressive cooking performance without taking up much counter space. Its 4 cooking functions include air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating, making it much more versatile than a standard air fryer. The 4-quart basket comfortably handles everyday meals, snacks, or side dishes for small households. Temperatures ranging from 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allow gentle dehydration, as well as crispy frying. The powerful 1550-watt heating system circulates hot air evenly to create crunchy textures, while using significantly less oil than deep frying. After cooking, the dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate make cleanup quick and stress-free. The simple control panel is easy to understand even for first-time users, making daily cooking enjoyable instead of confusing. This model is often available for about $43, offering outstanding value. Its biggest advantage is the built-in dehydration function, allowing users to prepare homemade fruit chips, dried herbs, and healthy snacks without purchasing another appliance. Number 1. Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5-quart. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE is an excellent choice for anyone who wants quick cooking without making the kitchen routine complicated. Its 5-quart capacity is ideal for couples or small families, while the sleek touch control panel feels modern and easy to use. With 7 cooking presets, you can prepare fries, chicken, vegetables, seafood, frozen snacks, and more with only a few taps. The ceramic-coated basket is designed without PFAS and helps food release easily while making cleanup simple. A shake reminder appears during cooking to help food crisp evenly, and the reheat and keep warm functions add extra convenience for busy days. The maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit delivers crispy results faster than many similar air fryers. Powered by a 1500-watt heating system, it cooks efficiently while using much less oil than traditional frying. You can usually find it for around $62, making it a strong value. Its standout feature is the ceramic-coated cooking basket combined with the Smart Shake reminder, giving consistently crisp food with less effort than many competitors. Wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best air fryers under $100 in 2026. Every model on this list offers excellent value, so the right choice depends on your cooking style, kitchen space, and favorite meals. We'd love to know which air fryer caught your attention, so leave your choice in the comments below. If this video helped you find your next kitchen upgrade, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Fact for more honest product rankings, buying guides, and the latest tech-inspired reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.